not counted among the known major groups of the Cordillera region. In fact, they came to the limelight only when they captured and deadly headhunts that occurred sporadically in their area. Throughout the mountain province, fast conflict and tribal wars were common occurrence, so that the tribes were always on the lookout for warlike neighbors. If it was not land grabbing or people stealing, it was neighbor raids that caused these bloody tribal wars. Success in such bloody conflicts meant for a grand celebration, that's a palambang. An palambang was always considered a great event, starting from the arrival of the successful head takers and its corresponding golden ritual. The blessing by the village shaman or bagkaman to the solo dances of the Minger or head takers. Palambang is also popularly known to the other neighboring areas as Palibot. A slight variation in the Palambang depends on the intensity of the celebration and probably the number of head takers. But definitely, it will always centers on our early and proud prowess of the head takers, then the story of how they come as victors and the celebratory dances participated in by the Minger head takers, their relatives, friends, and the entire village. Once again,